Oh, hello, dears. It's the Grandma Nona Variety Show. You know, today is a very special day. Grandma's grandson, Bobby, is here with her, and I got Bobby a little present today. Hello, Bobby, dear.
Hi, Grandma Nona.
I know, dear. You know, Grandma got you a Condor egg today for you.
The Kinder Egg's open. What's wrong with my Kinder Egg?
You know, Grandma's got the diabetes, and I had low blood sugar. Okay, dear. Grandma's got the low blood sugar, you know. Why don't you open... Grandma got it for you. Open it up, dear.
What? It's already open, Grandma.
Oh, yes. Well, that happens sometimes, you know, dear. You know, dear, Grandma asked you over because she wanted to talk to you about the drugs. You say no.
Benadryl?
No, dear, like heroin, you know.
I got instructions, Grandma Nona. It's a race car.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice, dear. Why don't you put it together and Grandma will tell you about...
Shut up!
About P&P, dear.
What's P&P, Grandma?
P&P is party and play.
The PlayStation?
No, it's when you get high and you have sex, dear.
What's sex, Grandma Nona?
Thank you for joining us for the Grandma Nona Variety Show. Come back again soon, and Bobby will show us how to demonstrate his race car. You know I love you.
Stupid!